Hello, I'm Leo Dreesen of BSM Knight Errant, and this is Gas Station Showdowns. What did I think of the gas station? Well, I thought the selection was mediocre, but the service was brilliant. They also have a Youngsteads, so it is very good for your car. And we got some regular, we got some special, we got Super Plus. I am very impressed by Mobil. And for only $245 for regular and $285 for special, Mobil really does the trick. Oh, hello. What do I think of Super America? Well, Super America has a large selection for about the same prices. The gas here is exactly the same, and here we have unleaded, plus, and premium. The extra gum I purchased at Mobil was the exact same price as the Super America. Who knew? Well, my opinions on the bathrooms was Mobil's was a little dirtier, but Super America had it going in all the right places. What can I say? Oh, hello there. While I may not have gotten gas at either of the gas stations, after deep personal reflection, I have to say Super America comes out on top. This has been Gas Station Showdowns. I'm Leo Dreesen. See you next time.